1. Evaluate the condition of your window seals and gaskets. You want your gaskets and seals in good repair. They are responsible for keeping rain out by forming a watertight boundary when your window is rolled up. They also serve to insulate the inside of the vehicle from road noise. 2. Check the entire gasket channel for foreign objects. Any obstruction of the channel may prevent the window from rising or falling properly. You should remove any objects such as pebbles or leaves before proceeding. 3. Clean the gasket with acetone. This will help to remove any grease or dirt buildup that might impede your window or prevent your gaskets from sealing properly. Be very careful not to get any acetone on your car's paint or carpets. It's better to put a small amount on a cloth and wipe with the cloth than to pour the acetone directly on the gasket. 4. Repair any small tears. You can do this using a rubber adhesive or glue. Be sure to trim any loose corners with a razor blade so that you get a good seal. 5. Replace the gasket. This may be necessary if the original gasket has large tears or several small tears. Replacing the gasket is a fairly easy job. Use a trim removal tool to slide in between the window and the gasket. Hook the tool underneath the gasket and pull up. Once the old gasket is removed, install the new gasket by fitting it into the same place as the original and pushing down firmly. 6. Lubricate the channel with silicone spray. This will help your window glide smoothly along the channel. 7. Retest the window. Your window should move up and down without restriction or delay if the problem has been fixed.